Is your HyperX keyboard's confetti lighting effect not working? Don't worry, it's often a simple fix. The most common causes are software glitches or outdated firmware, not necessarily a defective keyboard. First, ensure you have the latest HyperX Ingenuity software installed from the official HyperX website. This software is essential for controlling the lighting effects. Once installed, check for any available keyboard firmware updates within the Ingenuity app. Outdated firmware can prevent the confetti effect from functioning correctly. Another solution is to reset the keyboard by holding FN's ESC for 5 seconds, or reinstall drivers via Device Manager. If updating software and firmware doesn't solve the problem, consider potential software conflicts. Programs like Razer Synapse can sometimes interfere with Ingenuity. Try closing or uninstalling conflicting software. Also, ensure Ingenuity is whitelisted in your antivirus software, as it may be blocking necessary ports. A clean USB port is also important, so try cleaning it. To prevent future issues, keep your software and firmware updated and avoid running conflicting RGB control programs simultaneously. If issues persist, visit HyperX's support forums, r/HyperX for community solutions, or contact HyperX support directly. A last effort is to roll back to older firmware, but that should be a last resort.